The Maxiwa panel cart TC3000 was designed to assist the woodworker in carrying any full board they want with ease. It has adjustable height, and it also tilts to give the woodworker the biggest flexibility and to suit all their needs. It has stoppers to avoid sudden impacts that can cause your panel to fall out. It has wheels to make transportation easy and effortlessly. You can transport full panels by yourself anywhere you want. With its reinforced structure, anyone can carry any type of full panel they desire. The TC3000 panel cart is the perfect choice for transporting full panels in your shop effortlessly.